Building scenes. One of the features that makes Animaze the perfect 3D animation and video making tool is the Scene Builder. With the Scene Builder, you will be able to create professional-grade scenes with amazingly detailed backgrounds and multiple cameras for all your videos. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Scene Builder to create awesome scenes for your animated videos the easy way, step by step. Start by opening Animaze and creating a new project. You can access the Scene Builder right after you create a project by clicking on the Go to Scene Builder button. The Scene Builder dashboard is easy to navigate and is divided in 3 sections. The Scene View section, where you can monitor your scenes, the Timeline section, where you'll add the elements that you'll include in your videos, and the Sidebar menu, where you can select what elements to add to your videos. To build a scene into an Animaze video, all you have to do is click on the Scene Box button from the Sidebar menu to add a scene to your timeline. Now, before you start customizing a scene, you will have to time your video. Click on the End after X seconds and then enter the number of seconds that your video will last. Now that the length of your video is defined, you can start customizing the scene in your timeline. There are 3 steps involved in creating a scene: selecting a background for your scene, selecting a character for your scene, and selecting the position of your character in the background. Start by clicking on View to select the background for your scene. As you can see, there are several types of backgrounds to choose from, and each one has 2 main camera angles as well as a full camera view. This allows you to select different camera angles for different characters if you create videos with more than one character. Click on the name of the background that you want to select and then click on the camera icon to load the background into the scene. Awesome! Now it is time to insert a character into the scene. Click on Character to open the character selection screen. Here you can select from a large variety of character designs. To select a character, simply click on a character that you'd like to insert into your scene. Now click on Somewhere in the Scene to select the position of the character in the background. Here you have to select the same background camera that you selected in View in order to make your character visible on the screen. But if you select a full view camera, you can select any of the 2 primary cameras as long as they belong to the same background. Great job! You can add a second character to this same scene by using the controls below. Start by clicking on Character. Now click on the character design that you'd like to add as a second character to the scene. Now click on Somewhere in this Scene and select the position of the second character in the background. Make sure to select the remaining camera for the same background that you selected in View. This means that if you selected camera 1 for your first character, then you have to select camera 2 for the second character. Otherwise, it will not appear on the scene. You can rotate the characters in the scene by clicking and holding the rotate buttons corresponding to each character. In this example, we'll use each character's rotate button to face each other. You can then time your scene by typing at what second the scene will appear in the video into the After X seconds field located in the scene box. Because this scene is the first element that will appear in the video, you have to time it at the 0 seconds mark by typing 0 in the After X seconds field. You can trigger additional scenes in your video by clicking on the Scene Box button, selecting a different camera view on the same background, and timing the scene by typing at which second it will appear in the After X seconds field corresponding to this scene box. To see the scenes you build in action, click on the Play button under the Scene View screen. Awesome! You can save your scenes as a project that you can finish up later by clicking on the Save button. Next up, we'll be showing you how to use Animaze to create fully fleshed videos that include scenes, characters, sound, music, and dialogue. Stay tuned.